Just one message has shown what they have discussed in the inner room. Randy Moore is a US congressman who have been in charge of going to Nigeria, talking about issue of Christian genocide. In fact, Donald Trump saddled him with the responsibility of investigating, cooperating, and liaising with the Nigerian government. And right from time, it seems that this man was that fallen to the side of the Nigerian government, trying to always speak out that the US is cooperating with Nigeria, why the innocent people die every day. So many people started raising questions, including Mike Arnold. How can you say US is collaborating with Nigeria? People are dying. The Nigerian soldiers are seen aiding the terrorists, killing civilians in Plateau State. And these things are happening in a broad daylight. So the evidence is there, and you keep on saying that the American government are collaborating with the Nigerian government. Does it mean that US is doing the opposite? Why these questions were being raised? So the man posted something last 2 weeks when he was saying that the Nigerian government was swift in responding to Benin Republic military coup plot, whereas their citizens are dying every day. That enough is enough. That statement drew the attention of people, and Nuhu Ribadu prepared for the second time. He went back to the US to lobby, to do all those things. Immediately, Nuhu Ribadu came back for this second time. Something happened, and everything begins to change. And when Trump was done with his meeting with the Chinese president, something happened. This same man, Randy Moore, posted a message. He said, "Now, I am asking the Trump administration to take forceful action to defend our innocent brothers and sisters in Nigeria. This message is a message you should never take for granted. I am asking the Trump administration to take forceful action to defend our innocent brothers and sisters in Christ." This is a message that shows everything they discussed in the inner room. And while this man was posting this, White House responded. And they responded at the end, they put President Donald J. Trump. In other words, Trump responded through White House handle. And this is what he said. He said, "No games. Watch what is next on your favorite subject. Watch what is next on your favorite subject. No games." People are not decoding this message. But why Trump responded that no games, that he's not playing games with it, that Randy Moore should watch what he's going to do next, immediately Donald Trump posted this on Truth Social. He posted Pastor Ezekiel Dachomo. Nigerian pastor speaks out to the world. Speaks out. The world needs to listen. And because of some violations, I will not be able to play this video. That is the video of Pastor Ezekiel Dachomo inside the grave with so many dead bodies around him. That is the video President Trump posted yesterday. People should understand what is going on now. However, this is not something that we are not expecting, because Trump actually wanted to do this thing in January, February. But the issue of Iran, got America busy. The issue of Iran got America busy. But if you ask me, the issue they are fighting for in Iran, I think Nigerian issue is even more problematic. It's more important than the issue of Iran. This is because Iran is fighting for them to be liberated in what they are already in. But Nigeria, what we are facing now is that we are facing existential threat, not a conversion threat, not just a peaceful takeover threat, but we are facing existential threat from murderous Fulani militia, from Boko Haram, ISWAP, all these Islamic terrorists. We are facing existential threat. Nigeria issue is very, very important, and it's sacrosanct. Now, another thing people should understand is that if United States now come into Nigeria and start their full military action in Nigeria, that will not automatically solve the problem of Nigeria. That will not automatically solve the problem, in the sense that these people have the ideology. Their mission is to turn Nigeria into Islamic State, impose Sharia. That is their mission. So it's an ideology that many Muslims are having. But if you ask Kashim Shettima today, Kashim Shettima have the same ideology as Boko Haram. It is a normal thing. So it tells that Boko Haram are a tool being used by so many politicians and political figures. So why the United States struck terror targets in Nigeria day before yesterday, before they started posting all these things? So many Islamic clerics from the northern Nigeria, including Sheikh Ahmed Gumi, is still there trying to tell people that America should not fight terrorism in Nigeria. Saying that America should not fight terrorism in Nigeria. Do you understand that after the first military strike by Donald J. Trump, when he used 12 Tomahawk missiles on Christmas Day, 25th of December 2025, Sheikh Gumi, I don't know what they did. They now asked Tinubu to go to Turkey, don't partner with US again. But there is something they fail to understand. When Rebadu first visited the US, when this issue of Christian genocide started, Trump trapped Rebadu, Nigeria, into unachievable condition. It was a simple statement that looks dangerous. Donald J. Trump, through Marco Rubio and Randy Moore, they told Rebadu, and they signed a document. We are going to partner with you to eliminate these jihadists and Islamic terrorists in your country, killing Christians. If you go straight and take them away, we'll work with you. We'll be happy with you. We'll support you. We don't have any ulterior motive in Nigeria. This is what we want to do. So we can partner with you if you want to do it. But if you fail to do it and collude with these people, we are going to do it by ourselves. It's a simple something. Rebado agreed. He agreed. So now they have been trapped in an unachievable condition. And this is where we are today. A lot of people I know will never like American government intervening, but they will love for people to be dying. Do you know ever since every day people are dying, nobody's talking about it? Nobody. But guess what? Many people will start coming out social media now to be saying we don't need military intervention. We don't need military intervention. We don't mean US military intervention. But look at dead bodies every day. Look at people dying every day, and nobody is talking. Nobody is talking. Look at people dying every day. But very soon, you will see your celebrity saying, we don't need a US military action. It's a lie. It's a lie. The military action is coming, and there is nothing you are going to do. Yeah, there is nothing you are going to do. It is going to come before midterm election, November. That is because this issue of Iran delayed it. Because by now, we are supposed to even be talking what next in Nigeria. Anybody that will stand against not taking out the terrorists in Nigeria is standing for the division of Nigeria. And I think that is a better option.
They were singing Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. My wife now woke me up and was asking me whether I could hear the gunshots. And these people now was shooting everywhere. They tried to penetrate the old side of the Lota Market. Then my family was asking me, what are they going to do? They came, and the shop which I was sleeping in with my family, that was the first shop that was attacked in New Market. The first door they entered, they killed about 6 or 7 persons. I climbed on slim. I was sighting what they was doing from the other side of the shop which I was sleeping in. Then my children was crying, Daddy, what are we going to do? Immediately they killed people from the first door of that shop. After they went out, they now poured fuel for the roof and set fire. These people now came and surrendered. The whole building was shooting everywhere. And the people that hold matches, if you went out and you run too much, they will shoot you. If you cannot be able to run so much, they will now matches you. My people now went outside, not knowing that they have killed them all. My family was killed before I was struggling with the local door on that shop to go out. My first step outside, I was shot here. They matches me here at the back. Was saying, they was using this language, I saw my wife Judith was lying on the surface of the ground. That's and my first son Samson Okeyuma was also there, and Michael Okeyuma was killed too, and my last son from that wife, which is Kingsley Okeyuma, was killed.